Then this is for adjustments. You go to the Asset Workbench. In my case, I will create all columns because I want to see all the columns. You can create your own template based on what things you normally do adjustments for. I will download one asset. In this case, I will use a form. And I will say 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 5, for example. Let's see what is there. It's nothing. Go 1, 2, 3. And then you see how from the 5, 6, 6 and forward. Then we use that one. And then I will press download. And if I have more than one book for that particular asset, we'll download it twice on the book side. Then I will be able to see the tax book and the corporate book. In my case, I have only one book that is a corporate book. And then when I go to do an adjustment, I will go here to the book action. I will select adjustment, and then I could do the adjustments that I need to do. Then I could say, for example, that the current cost will be like 1,500 instead of 1,000. That would be the only adjustment that I will do. And then I will say upload. The wizard will confirm if the change was accepted. And then now, if I go to see down again, my asset, I will go and I will be able to see that the adjustment was done. And my current cost is now 1,500. Then when I go even to see here the recovered cost and the net value book, the next book value, I will see that it's 1,500 there. And then if I need to do other types of adjustments, let me just download this guy again. In this case, I will do the 67 just to make it less confusing. And download a new asset. In this case, I use the download using the sheet data. And then I will have other options here about of the adjustment. Then, for example, I will have the unplanned depreciation. And for the unplanned depreciation, I could just select unplanned depreciation and then put the value for the unplanned depreciation. And for that, it's giving me the error. It's just telling me that I need to put an amount there. Then here I will put, like, for example, 100. That will be my unplanned depreciation. And I need to complete the expense account, similar to what you'd have to do in Oracle. Then just put here combinations. I will just put the default value that comes here. And then when I say upload, now the wizard will upload properly. Now, what I want you to pay attention here is the net book value. And then when I go to download this again, you will see that that unplanned depreciation is done from the net book value. Then the previous net book value was 1,000. I apply 100 of unplanned depreciation, and then that impact directly the net book value. Now remember that you need to do the gain and loss process after, and the depreciation process, and then they will get to Oracle GL. Those values will get eventually there. Now, another thing that you can do here, if I download an asset, give me 1 second. Here will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. Then another small change that could happen here at the book level will be that you will need to switch or you need to toggle the depreciating flag. And then if I go here to depreciation, and I will say that this is no, and then that's it. And I could do this for multiple assets, not just for one, and I don't need to use always the forms, but you will see that here, that is what I did. I just toggle depreciation as no, and then that change takes effect right away. And if I go and I download this asset again, those changes don't need to wait for an interface or anything like that, just will take action right away, similar if you were doing them in Oracle Assets. Then if you see here now is with the no as a depreciation flag. Then those are the adjustments, unplanned depreciation, and the switch the depreciation flag in Oracle Assets.